Hi and welcome to a new video on Märklin of Berga. Into this video we are going to unbox the Märklin dump locomotive. As you can see, startup HO. First we can look at this package. Here we have the locomotive, and this is a unboxing review video. So let's begin. See, Märklin startup, little cheaper. This locomotive is this is digital, but this is old. Märklin has produced their locomotive. See here, and they have the MX decoder and DCC. That is very cool, I think. And the best, if we can get this on, there you go. Big and small removers. And here the backside. Sorry for that. And let's see here. And this is AC, analog and ticket warning. So, and here we have a locomotive. But so let's unbox this. So let's unbox this locomotive. Wait, I must fix the camera. So let's open this. Here we have the locomotive. It's a very nice looking locomotive. I have buy this locomotive from half year, but now I'm going to unbox this thing. So with this package. And here we have the instruction, and the article number for this is 36871. This is how you fix this locomotive. And so now we can take a look at the model here. This is a very good protection stuff package. We have to take a better look of it, and now we're going to open it. Oh, here we have the queen, and here we have the beautiful locomotive. Careful. Here we have it. It's very nice. This is a dump locomotive. This is not a tender. As you can see here we have the coal, and now we're going to take a better look at it right now. Here we have the locomotive. You see, it's a KM locomotive. This is a green locomotive. Märklin has produced this type of locomotive when it's black. I think it's black. So this is a digital locomotive. This is a very cheap locomotive. Is effectively like 700 crowns, and that is just I don't know what is in dollar, but yes, it's a very nice locomotive. Very cheap. It's a cheap locomotive, but I think it's very nice. And oh, it's very small. It's a very nice locomotive. Very nice details for this type of cheap locomotive. Wait, I must fix if we can do this. Here you see the details better. So now we're going to test this locomotive out, and yes, so and I'm going to do more reviews and unboxing videos. For this year we're going to have many videos on Märklin channel, and I'm going to show you a little what I'm doing right now. Actually, wait. So I am doing a restoration of my locomotive. It's a Märklin 23014. I fixed it very much, and here have all the parts and a smoke generator. Here we have all the parts and stuff. And I'm going to. So now we're going to set this on the rail. So let's go. Here we have it, and now we're going to test it. And I'm driving with analog, as you see. So let's see if the 1%. Oh, look at this. This is very slow, actually. Oh wait. Backwards. Let's see if it can go very slow. Yes, we can. Fast. And this is a very cool locomotive, I think. So let's see how it goes with passenger wagons. Yes, so this locomotive is realistic acceleration. Just kidding. And here we have my wagons. It's going to come out layout video update really soon, but yes. So let's take it there. So now we have the wagons on. Let's see how this works. It looks pretty good actually. And they're very slow. Let's see. It's a very nice looking locomotive. So that's for all right now, and I have many videos on production right now. So see you on the next video. Subscribe and like the video if you want to see more. So bye. See ya.